from my phone because the power's down, but we will have the class nonetheless. My name is Christine, and I've been taking over this class for, well, almost a year now, and it's been an enjoyable experience. I'm from Gloucester, and today we will be discussing quite an interesting topic. When I saw it, I got very excited. So our topic for today is, which Bollywood film's your favorite and why? So I will start with Veena. So Veena, let's start off with you. Which Bollywood film is your favorite and why?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
If you ask me, I'll say Ramayana is my favorite movie which I have watched
Okay, why?
because it's a mythological movie and it is related to our culture also.
Mhm.
And from that movie, we learn many things like respecting your elder ones. Go, every time goods win, evil die.
Okay. Okay,
And
tell me a
many,
bit more about the story.
the story is about Lord Rama and his wife Sita.
Mhm.
The story revolves around both of them. The story is like Raja Dasarath has 4 sons. So Rama was the elder one. Dasarath has 3 queens, and the second queen, Kekai, wanted his son to become the king, and she asked Dashrath that you should exile Rama to 14 months, 14 years, and Rama went to the forest, and there he killed many of the asurs. And while he was in the forest, Sita got kidnapped by Ravan. Ravan was the main asur. He kidnapped Sita and he took her to Lanka. And Rama went there and he killed him and he rescued Sita from there. This
Okay.
was the story.
Okay. And what is your love for it? What do you like so much about it?
The main thing is I like that the respect, like his father told him that you have to go to the forest and he didn't say anything. He just told, okay, if my father wants me to go to the forest, I'll go to the forest. He didn't ask his father, ki, why should I go to the forest?
Okay, so that there wasn't any questioning. He trusted his dad completely.
Yes.
Okay. And what do you take from it as a teaching? Because you obviously, that do you have any that kind of relationship with your dad? Why is it so important to you?
Like the character of Sita inspires me a lot.
Okay, why?
She suffered a many things like she was kidnapped by an evil and he took her to and he wanted to marry her, but there also she survived. And when she came back to Ayodhya, the capital,
Mhm.
Rama again exiled him to the forest, and she was pregnant at that time. She gave birth to 2 kids and she managed to bring them up. This was the journey of Sita. So I like that
Okay.
character very much.
Okay, very good. And when was this film made?
Like
how long?
we believe that it's a true story, and the movie is made like it was a serials also. The serial is also made on this, and movies also made on this topic. There are many movies made on this topic.
Okay. And do you know? I was going. How old is the series
Like the series was, I think so, 3 years. It
itself?
took 3 years or 4 years. It took.
3 or 4 years. Okay. And have they made any new ones since? So they've made the series, then they made the
Yeah,
movie.
like every 2 or 3 years after a new series comes with a new character and a new perspectives also, like what we have seen earlier, they change something and we come to know, okay, this also happened in this serial.
Okay. Okay, very good. And are you planning to continue watching this?
Yeah, I'm I'm hearing one more remake is going to be made, and I'll watch that also.
Okay, so you're excited for it.
Yes.
Fantastic. Okay, thank you very much, Veena, for sharing that with us. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
I'll now move on to Khushbu.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Hi, I love that picture of Arush.
Oh, thank you, ma'am.
Fantastic. Okay, so what is your favorite Bollywood movie and why?
Actually, ma'am, my favorite Bollywood movie is Fana. It's about a love story or about terrorist, and I think we are still watching like 2 or 3 times. It's a family drama kind of film also, Bollywood movie.
And what goes on in it?
Ma'am, there was a blind woman who falls in love with a boy tourist who seems charming, but it turns out like he's hiding a big secret from her or our country also. And this movie has everything from romance to crazy to emotional scenes, family scenes. And it is not a remake or a copy of anything. It is a completely original. And I love that movie because the boy is terrorist who is doing bad works with country, and she knows she he loves women. She knows about that after marriage or after having a son, like 5 years. She knows about that what that person is doing.
Okay. And what happens?
Sorry.
What happens? What was he doing exactly?
Ma'am, she's a trustworthy girl who saved the country, and she goes to police and report all the things, and she knows all the things how to do. That person is doing all the bad works for country, so she knows all the things, and she have also a boy son, 5 years son, and she knows all the thing, and she goes to police and handle all the thing with that person. And in the lastly, he killed that person who loves most.
Oh my goodness. Okay. And why do you love it so much? What is important to you? Is there a message in it? Why is it so special to you?
Ma'am, this is a kind of like we teach lessons about how to people save our country and respect to our country. For family is not a big thing in the front of country.
Okay. So it's more about maybe some traditional values. It gives you some traditional values.
Yes,
about
traditional values about the cultures and tradition and family drama. And there is a son who loves and always singing a song. Kids also like that song all the time. Kids all singing that song. Very, very nice film, that one.
Okay. And so it's not a film for adults. Kids can watch it as well.
Yes, adults also. Family, like
it's
a family drama.
Okay. And when was it out? When did it come out?
Ma'am, like think 8 years, maybe 10 years, that film.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah, but songs are very good. So my son also sometimes starts singing that song. So about that song, kids like that movie.
Okay, fantastic. Okay, and if I were to tell you about a possible sequel, do you think there will be a sequel to it?
Sorry, ma'am, sequel means?
Another sequel, so part 2?
No, ma'am, there is a one part. Yeah, maybe it's coming soon, but not come yet. Not
okay. Now. Okay. My next question is: would you be interested in actually seeing a sequel? The reason being is that, for example, I've watched movies and have been very happy watching the first one. Yes. And then they bring out the second one, and I'm disappointed.
But ma'am, in India, it's a family movie, so it never come in like series. Some like a suspense story kind of Bollywood movie who came in like a series or maybe in the wave series, second or third. But this family drama is not only one single.
Okay. So it's not the way you do things, just
No. Yeah, it's ma'am, it's believe and it's a kind of relation to Bollywood movie. It's about culture and tradition, so people like that movie.
okay. Okay, fantastic. Thank you very much, Kushbu.
Thank you, ma'am.
Well done. Thank you. Okay, I'll move on to Anshu now.
Hello,
Anshu.
good evening.
Hi, Anshu. How are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Okay, so what is your favorite Bollywood movie?
Okay, my favorite Bollywood movie is based on the traditional historical mythical movies only. Its name is Bajirao Mastani. Okay,
Mhm.
it came in 2015 actually. It was published in 2015, and it's based on the 1700 or 1750 in between that ADs, where the Maratha king Bajirao Peshwa was leading that time. Okay, so in between that, there was a prime minister in the Marathas, Ambaji Pant. Okay, she was hiring someone in the Peshwa's position. So she referred the name of Bajirao Peshwa because he was really relentless and he was a warrior at that time. He was someone who could fight many people. So I was really excited because of this character. So whenever I see the trailer, I am really enjoyed because it's actually trailed by Ranveer Singh. So he's really a marvelous actor. So I really really love his interaction with people, and he's really very courteous as well. Okay, so
Okay.
yeah, and
Tell me.
actually it's also based on the love story. So everything, it's a bunch of like in a single movie we see so many characters, a warrior, a love, like they have a love story in between a different cast. So at that time we can see that in 1700 ADs, people used to think a lot. Even now they think about the intercaste marriage, they do a lot of things, right? So at that time when should I say you the whole story about this?
Yes, yes, yes. I would love to hear it. Definitely. And it gets you to
Okay.
practice more. So yes.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I will really love to share the story with you because it's really interesting. I have watched it 10 to 15 times. I don't have time,
Oh
but
wow.
still I watch it by making time. Okay. So actually, in the beginning, we just saw that uh, Ambaji Pant is giving a reference of Peshwa Baji Rao to come on the Maratha place. Okay, the king of Marathas. Okay, so at that time, as a Peshwa, we call him Peshwa, who is the king. So the place of Peshwa was given to Bajirao Peshwa. So they had a small test. We say na that yeah, they'll have to do something to prove themselves that they can do that thing. So
Mhm.
he was ordered, or he was said that he will have to cut an arrow. Arrow will be upright down on the ground. Okay, and he will have to hit. I mean, he will have to cut it down with a single arrow. Okay, with bow and
Okay.
arrow, he'll have to cut the single like in between that. Okay, so it's
He
really
gets
a
one.
tough. Yeah, with one shot, with a single
Okay.
shot. Yeah, so it was a peak of feather actually. It's very thin. It's really impossible to do that. And they thought that he will not be able to do that thing. Okay, but he did that, and everyone was shocked. And his dialogues are really like all the dialogues which he says in the movie are actually it's directed by Sanjay Leela Bhansali. Okay, so
Okay.
he's having each and everything very uh, it's very different from other movies. We can't relate any movies with other movies, whatever movies he is producing. Okay,
How is it different? How is it
yeah,
different?
it's different because the dialogues which he says that Bajirao Peshwa सिर्फ एक ही था और एक ही रहेगा. So this kind of dialogues actually gives an attractiveness to the viewers. Okay, and there are many other things which we can say. Okay, there is more to it, because, so I will not get stuck to this part. This was really interesting. So later on, when he was moving, Bajirao Peshwa was moving to Siranjia. Okay, that time he made uh, a princess, or we say her Rajkumari. Okay, so she was the daughter of a Rajput and a Muslim. Okay, different caste.
All right, I
Okay,
see.
so she was a Persian. So both were married. A Rajput and Persian Muslim was married, and they gave birth to a child. And
Mhm.
her name was Mastani. Okay, so Mastani met with Bajirao Peshwa, and they fell in love. They also played Holi. Actually, Mastani pleaded with to Bajirao to fight for them. Okay, so they were actually in a tough condition, so they needed some warrior. So she pleaded by a very, like, she has a good gesture. She fighted with a sword, and she came with a sword to Bajirao sent just to show her skills, that yeah, you can't, like, she fought bravely. I love that scene. Okay, so later on, they fell in love with each other. Bajirao gifted her a dagger. Bajirao gifted her a dagger. Actually, in Rajputs, whenever a king is gifting a dagger, it means they are marrying each other. So it's a sign of marriage. Okay, so he didn't knew this, that in Rajput they term this as same. Okay, so by that thing they were married, and for Mastani, she was the uh, bride of Bajirao Peshwa.
Okay.
Okay, now Bajirao Peshwa also enjoyed the Holi at their state, and then he returned to his place at Marathas. Okay, at Pune. Now he was having a wife. Okay, her name was Kashi Bai, and still he did that. So Mastani didn't know this, that he is already married. Okay, so she was really missing him, and she came to Pune for meeting him.
Mhm.
So there, Kashibai came to know that, oh my God, both of them. There was a long story actually. I'm saying it in short. That Kashibai came to know that are in love, and she was really angry with this. And she told many bitter words to Mastani, that how can you do, like we say, na, another woman. You are the another woman of Bajirao, so you don't have any self-respect, and those. She said many bitter things, but Mastani was really very peaceful, and she has a very controlled in her mind. She never had taken her words any kind of bitterness. She didn't take in anything like that. Okay,
Mhm.
so she always treated her as a sister, elder sister. Okay, that okay, fine. She is my elder sister. She can say me anything. So that was her respectfulness and everything which we can learn about. That whatever people says us, we shouldn't do the same with others. So this is the second part of the thing that we are actually learning from the movie. Okay, there are many things, many learnings. I'm just saying you a small glance. Okay, yeah. So
It's
next,
lovely how passionate you are about this movie.
you should watch it. I must say that you will love this movie if you watch it. Okay. So later on, they had a in the court. They
Mhm.
had mirrors in the court where Bajirao Peshwa used to sit. Okay, there is a center. Okay, in that, on the center, whenever people comes, it reflects in the room of Bajirao. Okay, can you hear me? Yeah.
Okay.
Uh,
Yes, I can still hear you.
yeah. So it reflects in the room of Bajirao, so that Kashibai can see what is going in the court. Okay. So at one time, when she came to know about Mastani and Bajirao, was when Bajirao and Mastani were having a romantic scene in the court. Okay. So in the center, they were actually talking, and was having some romanticism. So Kashibai saw everything from the mirror, which is actually present in her room. Okay. So
Okay.
she saw it, and she got really angry, and she decided that she will do something so that Mastani gets away from their life. Okay. And Mastani even danced when she came. She's actually a dancer in the court. Okay. So they treated her badly because she dances. Okay. So that was also one reason that they were hating. Not only the religion, but because she was a dancer in the court. Okay. She dances in between so many people. So that was also really in a bad image. But Bajirao Peshwa was always he always taken care of her gratitude and everything.
Mhm.
That she's a woman, he loves her, so he always gave respect to her. Okay, and even fighted for her. Okay, so it has been seen in the whole movie. Okay, it's not only in that part when she fighted. And once Kashibai actually planned to kill Mastani. Okay, she even gave birth to a boy, a child, a kid. Okay, he was when she came. She was already I think she was already carrying her child. Okay, now when she came because she was pregnant. Okay, she returned to that place. We came to know it later. Okay, so later on, she gave birth and she was always carrying her like Lakshmi Bai did, in her arms, on the back of the arms. So many, like, she was a warrior. We all know she fighted when she met Peshwa Bajirao. So at that time, there were 10 to 15 people who came to kill her. Okay,
Mhm.
so she fighted courageously with all of them. But at last, Kashibai, they were having an aarti in their palace. So at that time, Kashibai was feeling really bad that I did something like that with another woman. I'm also a woman. How can I do something with a woman like me? Okay,
Okay.
if she could have also done, like, Masani could have also done with Kashibai, but she didn't do that. She always treated her good. So she was getting that thing. She was reminding herself that she's so good. How can I do this? So she said Bajirao that I have done this, and you'll have to go to save her. So
Okay.
Bajirao went to Mastani's place, and at last she was hit. Like, the guy actually wounded her on the back. Okay, so Peshwa went and he saved both of them. Okay, but she didn't let a single scratch on her child. She's really
So,
fought bravely so that her child didn't. Hmm.
so what
Yeah,
you
what
like
you're
about
asking?
the movie, especially, is the what it teaches you. I mean, about confidence, about belief in yourself, and also because it's a love story. So you are a true mom.
Yeah, yeah. So actually, we see many things, not only a single thing. We see it in a, like, it's a complete package. What is right? So it's some, and it's really just really interesting.
It's a lovely story. Guys, in fact, I would love it if you could send in the chat. I'm sure there must be some setting for a chat here on the phone. If you could send me the name of the movies,
Yes,
so
yes.
I okay. So
Yes,
now
I'll
I'll
send.
ask. Fantastic. Thank you so much. Can I have?
Thank you.
Can I have? Can you tell me? Can you tell me a bit about?
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, what
Hello,
is
ma'am.
your
Good evening.
favorite? Hello, how are you?
Ma'am, I would like to come after the end of everybody. So Anjali is here and Preeti Agarwal is here. So after these both, I'll be.
Okay,
It's
so
okay.
I'm okay. Yeah, that's fine. So Anjali will be next. Pretty doesn't
Yeah.
listen to doesn't participate usually. So after Anjali. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
Anjali, what is your favorite movie?
Ma'am, my favorite movie is Houseful 2.
Okay, and why?
Ma'am, it's a comedy movie, and its story is four fathers who are all sworn enemies try to marry
Uh-huh.
their daughter, the son of a tycoon called Jolly. But when the real Jolly appears, there's a house full of confusion. It's a
Okay,
too much comedy movie, and everybody like it.
okay. So
And
you
then
like it because you
the
like comedy.
that yeah, ma'am, I like
Okay.
most it.
Okay, fantastic. And how long is it, and when did it come out?
Ma'am, it is released on 5 5 it is released in year 2012.
Okay. And is there a sequel coming out, or is
Ma'am,
it
there's
just one
so
film? And
many series of Houseful. Ma'am, there's so many series, but I like most of that second part.
okay. Also, yes, send me the title, guys. Honestly, send me these titles. I would love to have a little look at them, and get to see different films. Absolutely. Inda, your turn. Last but not least.
Yeah, ma'am, it's now my turn. Actually,
Which is your favorite movie?
yeah, that if Vishal sir with us, then I would like to say Padman is my favorite movie because it's related to
Batman.
innovation.
Uh-huh.
Padman. But because of you, so I'm saying you the honestly, which is my favorite movie actually. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
so my favorite movie is actually Bahubali. Have you heard about this? Bahubali?
No, tell me what it is about.
Okay. I'm telling you, ma'am, why this is my favorite movie.
Uh-huh.
Actually, because in India, we heard that our past was very beautiful and the best thing. And if that present years we are living, this is bad. Okay. It means past people were true. Okay. And this time people are fake. They are not genuine. So this uh, I heard this from my grandfather. Everybody knows everyone saying this. Okay. But that I observed, this is actually in now our present is actually it's more
Hello.
Mughal came to India. Yeah, hello. Can you hear me, ma'am?
Sorry, I think it's
Hello.
breaking. Yeah. Hello.
Okay. Its voice is breaking, so I'm just telling.
The connection. The connection.
Okay.
I couldn't hear your voice properly.
Okay. Now it's okay. Now it's fine.
Yes. No, it's fine.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay, ma'am. Actually, one. Yeah. Hello. Yeah,
Hello.
it's fine, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay. Hello. It's not coming,
Hello.
ma'am.
Yes, I can hear
Hello.
you.
Okay. Just allow me a moment. Hello. It's better
Hello.
now.
Yes, it is.
Hello. Yeah. So actually, ma'am, so I was saying that the past was not that much good actually, because people what did they did to kill someone. If you have a country, so they try to capture another country. If you have a state, they try to merge another state inside. So they killing the people, they killing their army. It's happened now. It's very less now in India. Just India, Pakistan, and India, China is very less now. Okay, it's even countable. That time it was uncountable. So in Bahubali movie, like so many came to India, like Akbar. Akbar, have you heard about Akbar, ma'am?
Yes, I have.
Okay. Yeah, so actually they came from the Arabic countries, Gulf countries, and they came to
Yeah, that's
India.
fine.
Yeah, now the Muslims are here because of they are the parents, so they came in India. So these kind of things happen actually. They loot what is actually called they forced to they kill of here like here those who are here king they kill them and they became empire of here. So they establish their own empire. This kind of things happen in past. But in Bahubali movie, they totally shown the defend part actually. If someone came to your country, they defend their country, and those who came with the wrong with wrong intention they kill them and defend their country. So actually what happened that movie hello.
Yes.
it's shown how should be actually a king, whom we can say it's a real king. So the definition of king we can show in that movie if we love our past, and it's quite similar to like Avengers. It's not like that fully similar because it's not
It,
they're being shown like
it's
technology.
kind of like Assassin's Creed a bit.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. But yeah, exactly. But assassin they hide their identity, right, ma'am?
Yes.
Yeah, but in that, yeah, in every same thing happened. They also trying like they hide their identity, like right, ma'am?
Yes, they
Fully they are
usually
not
hide their
showing.
identity in Assassin's Creed. You don't know who they
Yeah.
are.
But the work they did, the work is output is the same of the three. They're doing things for better, for good. Hello.
Fantastic. Yes.
Yeah, actually, don't get him that he's the best and he's that. They're just working for good. So I'm just saying you that I'm just sharing you the some movement so you can understand better what
Thank
actually.
you.
Yeah. So I'm starting
I
from the beginning. Hello.
hello. I have
Yeah.
found these.
Okay.
I have found these these movies. I've just found Bahubali, and it reminds me a lot of Assassin's Creed. But like you said, it's about um, fighting for your own country and fighting for so
Right.
it brings back that sense of history and sense of pride and patriotism.
Yeah. Right, ma'am. So you like me to share some like some scenes? So they actually the
I
scene shows.
I would love if you could give me a short version because I have to another class. Get you past time. I've enjoyed my too much.
So I'm you the very and very less. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So one is seen starting. He's at the time he's a child. So
Uh-huh.
they are doing worship their whole family. Okay. So one insect going to bite her mom. So what he did actually, he catch in hand. Actually, they have very less weapons to fight the against opponent. So what happened
Mhm.
actually? There is also some family like family scene. There is two Yuvraj. What it called? Yuvraj actually the son of the king. What they called actually? Son of king.
Uh-huh.
What prince? Okay. Yeah, there is actually two prince. So who will become next king? So for that, that will be decided in this war. Who will be the win? So what happened actually? The main people of the that they favor in the wrong person. So they're giving the best weapon him, and who is the main actor? They're giving very less and very old version of the weapon. So he just not disappointed. He just trying to his think. He using his mind that how can I win this war with these weapons? So he just use some unique ideas and he just won that. Okay, ma'am. Actually, if we don't have time, so I'm not going in that much detail. And if comes something better, then I'll say it.
Oh,
Okay.
I would love for
Yeah,
you to
one.
continue it another time. If we can do it another time, I would love that simply because I have to jump over into another class right now. So I don't want to be late for the other one. But thank you very much.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah.
But next time you're here, remind me and tell me about it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you very
Yeah,
much,
ma'am.
guys.
Actually, one thing I would like to say that this movie is not exactly to the Mahabharat. Mahabharat is
Uh-huh.
actually epic. Yeah, but quite similar. It's both for the good things. How they sacrifice people. It's quite similar, but not exactly. But the Mahabharata is actually a true story. And epic, it's not epic. It's just a story and just a movie filtered
Okay.
from the all things. Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am.
All right. Thank you so much, guys, and thank you so much for sharing this. It's lovely to hear about different movies from different cultures. Thank you for also being okay with me using my phone. I'm sorry about the power cut, but I hope to see you all tomorrow, and I want to hear more from you, Inda, about the movie. So when you come back to class, I'd love
Tomorrow.
to hear more. Yeah, why not?
Are you sure?
Yeah. why not? We can do it tomorrow. We can do a bit more tomorrow about your movie, and then we'll move on to tomorrow's question because I'm sure it will be different.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fantastic. Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you so much,
See
ma'am.
you.